The most important pilgrim to Namugongo. Thank you for coming, and thank you for coming back. One thank the Lord that you all came back. I was not in Namatala this year. For those that had stayed, I prayed with those who are in Namugongo, and I met most of you. I want to thank God for you. I was in Namugongo because I'd been appointed to be on the National Organizing Committee, because, let me tell the priests, the government of Uganda, through my leader, the president, has officially, through SEC, where I sit, authorized that every year we will commit 2 billion shillings. It's now in the budget. You no longer have to write to beg, to be 2 billion shillings for the Catholic Church and 2 billion shillings for the Anglican Church. And for this year, because of the Muslim faith, they also, same season they go to Mecca, they have their own programs. They've also, first of all, we opened a vote for them of 200 million, but they'll be getting, so that you make your contribution to the community and to the religious tourism. Because now this is a world event in the whole country, the whole world. So I had to stay up to make sure that the directive of the president of the committee is fulfilled. Now back home, I want to thank all of you for coming for today's Mass. Just to say that this church, whenever they say visitors, I laugh, because I grew up in this church. My mother used to sit just behind the choir, and the choir, thank you. Let's clap for the choir. My grandmother, the mother of my mother, the late Veronica, she used to sit behind them. And my own mother, she's also since passed on, the late Federes, she does have Catholic names. She used to also sit just next to my mother there. So every time I come, of course when it's politics I talk, but I come to pray because my mother was a very strong Catholic and she used to serve the Catholic Church. I remember her rosary always in her hands. So today I've come to, first of all, I have a date in a band of money, not anything else. I pledged to bring 1 million shillings to contribute to the construction of the kitchen. Leave 1 million of our priests, and that money I have brought. It is here, it's cash. I would like to request whoever is in charge of the money, it is here, to come and I hand it over. Normally, Sise pulls my gomas. I've not seen her today, but the treasurer, I've fulfilled my pledge. And I want to thank God that I've been able to make that pledge fulfilled. I've had the leadership of the church saying that women should go to register. I've said here many times, in memory of my mother and my grandmother, please register me on their behalf so that I'm a part of the women of the Catholic community. So I was looking for Sise, because Sise is normally looks for me. When the women are gathering, please invite me so that we do our things. So I want to come to the women's meeting as the daughter of Federes and the granddaughter of Veronica. And when I come there, I will come with 1 million shillings so that the women that serve the Catholic Church and our priests to our child, we don't just talk, we also talk with action. So me, I'm coming to join you to work the way my mother and my grandmother worked, and you will like it. Thank you so much. So make sure you don't leave me. Thank you, my sister. Finally, me, I'm not like my other colleagues. For me, you promised me. You promised me the first church service I attended when I lost the election in 2021 was here. ne mungaba mugenda kusangula amazika Lydia tofaayo jangu I've been coming. 2021, no parliament. 22, no parliament. 23, no parliament. 24, no parliament. I've been coming. Whoever says that I've not been coming, you raise your hand to Swaziland one. Abagama Timbadens Jamwani Kenny Kon.